Days ago, I received an email from Rolanda, and she was telling me about these really cool dish towel holders that can also double as a sewing tool to attach zipper pulls to zipper tapes. So they actually work, very inexpensive, and this particular package that I bought came with 4 in a pack, so you have 1 to keep for yourself and 3 to share with other sewing friends. So Danny's going to switch over to the overhead camera, and I'm going to show you what they look like. So here's the packet that I got. It comes with 4 of these, and on the back is a double-sided sticky pad over here. So they're a little bit lightweight. I suppose they're okay to use on their own, but I had maybe if you have like an extra piece of tile, I used a little coaster. Thank you, Violet. I kind of blinked out over there. So I actually stuck mine to this coaster, and it's a little bit weighted, so I thought it would work better stuck to something with a little bit of weight to it. I pulled various zipper pulls, number 5 pulls, and also a number 3 pull, just so that I could demonstrate how easy they are to get on. So first off, I'm going to turn the zipper pull so that it's with the bottom side face up, and then I'm just going to slide it so that it goes near this narrow end of the towel holder. And then I've got my zipper tape over here, and I've just got it positioned upside down, and I'm just going to slide this on here. Actually, I think it was last week, someone was asking how do you get the zipper tape to go on so that it's even, so that the teeth are not crooked. So if you find that once you've added the tape on there and it doesn't look straight across, just go ahead and pull it off and try it a couple more times until it's attached to your liking. So that was the number 3 pull that I attached, and I pulled 2 different designs of number 5 pulls just so we could see that they'll work with different shapes of the number 3 and the number 5 pulls. All right, so as you can see, super easy to attach that, and then the pull just comes off, and then this is probably one of the biggest pulls that I use. And I'm glad I attached this to the coaster because it's really staying put. And this particular coaster, by the way, has little rubber feet on the bottom, and I think I got some sticky stuff on one, so yeah, it's ensuring that it's not moving around. So thank you so much to Rolanda for emailing me about this. The link to these towel holders is in the description in case you're interested in checking them out. I think at the time that I purchased them, they were about $11 for the pack of 4, so I thought it was a great deal.